get that, and then get push. All right, sick, dude. That should be fixed here. Windsurfer for AI enabled. Okay, set environment variables here. .env, check .env for required variables. Create a copy of above and name it .env with your file keys, Anthropic key, other trading API keys. Never commit your keys, please. Please never commit your keys, please.
So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Okay, sick, dude. All right, this is the roadmap. Everything's here, dude. I just made it super simple. So in order to use this code, like I just showed you here, I wrote a roadmap here. So first off, just make sure to save it to your GitHub and then copy the code here. And then you can start working on it. The save is the start and the forked is the copy. And let me just show you around. The docs here is where the docs will be, but essentially it's just my video training for now because we're building. We're building fast. So you can see if you open these up into a new tab, you can see these are, they're long videos, but they're detailed. They're very, very detailed because you see everything. So the thing is, dude, is we're in a new regime here. And this is why you want to make sure to stay very detailed. And here's a big reason of, let me go ahead and add that. One of the Anthropic, one of the leaders in AI said you need to understand every single line of code in these AI agent systems, as it's a new regime and there are so many pieces of alpha you can discover if you understand everything, opposed to just downloading loaded code and just running it. This is why it's so important to invest your time in watching the above detailed videos. Here's the article. Here is the article. They mentioned removing abstraction layers. They talked about it. Anthropic talked about it. Here's the article. Anthropic talked about it. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure that is there. What did I call this last time? GitHub. This is called watch all training here. So git add dot git commit watch all training here. And if you watch all this training, you're going to understand every single line of code and you're going to be able to put pieces together that I can't. I'm in the trenches with you, dude. Git push origin main. This is literally a regime shift and you've never seen anything like this before. AI agents are here, dude. They're here. And is trading the application for it? I don't know, but that's what I'm focused on, dude. So, of course, that's what I'm going to apply it to. And I'm going to test it out and we'll see, you know? That's it. I'm a scientist, dog. I'm a data dog. That's short for scientist. That's short for data scientist, dog. I'm a scientist, bro. All I do is come up with ideas and I test them out. I don't listen to anybody else. I just listen to myself. Because a scientist, a data dog, aka a scientist, dude, just comes up with hypotheses, hypotheses, and just data dogs his way through it. That's it. So, okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick little rundown of how the structure is here. So you can see the docs. I just